Welcome to the Mike Monroney Aeronautical Center. It is the home of the FAA Academy, the world's leading aviation technical training center. Much of the Academy's terminal air traffic training is accomplished in the new General Thomas P. Stafford building, located at the north end of the campus. Training for student air traffic controllers is enhanced by 4 simulation laboratories. They provide realistic situations that prepare students to perform critical job responsibilities at their assigned air traffic facilities. The laboratories feature situations which involve a variety of commercial, general aviation, and business jet aircraft, including helicopters. All developmental terminal air traffic controllers cycle through these labs. The skill level training provided the students dramatically accelerates their progression to the full performance level.
Northwest 182, cross runway 28 right, fly runway heading runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff.
The first of the simulation laboratories is what is commonly called the tabletop or tower cab mock-up lab. Here, students learn basic air traffic control procedures under good weather and daylight conditions. Training on the 3 tower control positions is provided in this lab: local control, ground control, and flight data clearance delivery. Students learn to handle routine to emergency air traffic situations, with each student having defined responsibilities to resolve problems. While students are training on these positions, others serve as pilots, flying model airplanes in the terminal area. This gives them an idea of what pilots experience in arriving or departing at airports, including the operation of aircraft in traffic patterns. The local control position is responsible for the control of aircraft that are departing, arriving, or transiting the airport traffic area.
American 1172 Heavy, Academy Tower, runway 28 right, cleared to land.
The ground control position handles or controls aircraft and ground vehicles that are on the surface of the airport.
Bonanza 8, Foxtrot Delta, taxi to runway 28 right.
And last, the flight data clearance delivery position collects and disseminates information affecting the flow of terminal air traffic. This includes flight data information for local and ground control, and control information for aircraft preparing to depart the airport.
97. ILS approach, runway 28 right in use. Landing, runway 28 left, runway 28 right, and runway 34.
Spartan Aviation, ready to taxi with information Alpha IFR to Miami Airport.
Next in our lineup of simulation labs is the Tower Operation Training System, or TOTS. TOTS is a state-of-the-art high-fidelity simulator which uses high-resolution 3-dimensional graphics to provide a lifelike tower environment. It supports the 3 operational air traffic control positions: local control. The graphic images of up to 10 aircraft or a combination of aircraft and surface vehicles can be utilized at one time. These computer-generated images are projected onto a realistic airport background. A combination of specialized video projectors and slide projectors are used to create the visual presentation, which fills a curved screen 18 feet high by 28 feet wide. Fiber optics embedded in the screen provide a realistic display of airport lighting. Other features of TOTS include variable weather and visibility conditions, day-to-night lighting capability, and electronic voice recognition and response.
Academy ground, United 433 Heavy on taxiway Foxtrot. Request taxi to the terminal.
United 433 Heavy, Academy ground, taxi to the terminal.
United 433 Heavy, roger.
Prior to TOTS training, each student is voice trained in order to communicate verbally with the TOTS computer.
1 Cessna 0 Mike November, taxi without delay.
Twin Cessna 0 Mike November, roger.
This enables the computer's voice recognition feature to identify each student's voice pattern, which allows the student to verbally direct or control the aircraft.
Turn right, next taxiway, contact ground, point 9.
Our next laboratory is the Enhanced Debriefing Station, or EDS. There are 8 computer-driven video training stations in this lab. EDS simulators supplement the training provided in the TOTS labs by providing practice in procedural elements of air traffic control tasks, but without the distractions of equipment operations. Here, students can practice problem-solving and decision-making skills while becoming proficient in aircraft identification and phraseology. Many of the features found in TOTS are also used in EDS. These include high-fidelity graphics, day, night, and weather capability, real-time air traffic scenarios, and voice recognition and response. A very valuable feature of EDS is the repeat and advance function. This feature allows students to replay portions of scenarios to reinforce learning of various concepts. Our final simulation laboratory is the Instrument Flight Rules Lab. While the TOTS simulator features good weather, this lab features reduced visibility or foggy conditions. This means that aircraft operating in the vicinity of the airport are operating under instrument flight rules, and of course, the air traffic controllers cannot see the aircraft. The lab accommodates all 3 air traffic control positions, plus 2 pseudo-pilots at computer terminals who control the airplanes in and out of the airport. The same scenarios used in the TOTS and EDS labs are also used in this lab, but the graphics are two-dimensional. Due to the reduced visibility conditions, students learn to give positive direction to the aircraft under their control using very specific commands.
Delta 201, Academy Ground, taxi to runway 28 right.
The FAA Academy's Terminal Air Traffic Control Simulation Laboratories, providing innovative skill-level training for today's and tomorrow's air traffic controllers. They help produce near full performance level controllers who are ready to meet the challenges of their field assignments. After field training, these developmental controllers will become part of the proud team of specialists who handle the air traffic of the world's busiest civil aviation system.